So we've got our game actually embedded in a form. What the form is doing is it's calling itself over and over again, and we're entering values, and those values are actually being copied back into the form. What we now need to do is we actually need to sort of add a little bit of a game engine, and this is quite a simple process. What will happen is that when you enter a value into the thrust field, that's going to change the height, the speed and the fuel, and there's a little bit of calculation that goes on. This is like the magic sauce behind the game that makes the game work. And the way that we do that is just by adding 4 lines of code into the page. It's going to look like this, and what we'll do is we'll simply alter the speed and subtract the thrust from the speed. So there's this notion that we're sort of heading faster towards the ground. We'll take the speed off the height. The thrust that we expend comes off the fuel, and then we'll set the thrust back to 0 once we've finished with the thrust. So all we need to do is just add those 4 lines into the process game page, and then we can click through and you can see how it actually alters the values.